imagine planting cacao even though there are existing problems, yet solutions aren't attainable? Another challenge that we have is a problem on banana due to infestation. What are the agricultural innovations that we have in the University of Southern Mindanao towards social sustainability? What are you waiting for? Be a part of the change. A pleasant day. Do you ever believe that innovation in agriculture is one of the contributions that the academe can offer for the betterment of our nation? Now, have you ever thought of what innovations we already have? What are the agricultural innovations that we have in the University of Southern Mindanao towards social sustainability? The University of Southern Mindanao, or USM, is located in the southern part of the Philippines. It has functions on instruction, research, extension, and resource generation. Mindanao is rich in natural resources. However, there is a chronic food insecurity in Mindanao due to poor accessibility and utilization of resources. As intervention to this issue, USM performs research and development, or R&D, on banner commodities, which are cacao, corn, high-value crops, and fruit trees. Part of our agricultural innovations in the university is the Nicer Cacao R&D Center, a niche center in the Region 12 for cacao R&D programs. We also use smart and digital agriculture technologies on high-value crops. For social sustainability, our R&D outputs are transferred to the community, stakeholders, and industries. USM has wide areas for agricultural research and innovations. We have the USM Agricultural and Development Center and laboratories. Moreover, we have the Research Hub, Crops Research Facilities, and Science and Technology Building. In Mindanao, cacao production is increasing. However, our nurseries have no verified cacao varieties. These varieties appear to be morphologically similar. Farmers will tend to plant poor quality varieties because it is difficult to identify the true varieties. In response to this, our R&D on molecular fingerprinting of cacao ensures the multiplication of quality planting materials for increased productivity and profitability. Seedlings and mother plants of over 40 cacao nurseries in Region 11 and 12 in Mindanao were validated and certified molecularly and morphologically. Through this R&D, recommended varieties of the National Seed Industry Council were also validated. Would you imagine planting cacao even though there are existing problems, yet solutions aren't attainable? We actually have issues with cacao because in the Philippines, this is not a native plant. We receive cacao clones from other countries and evaluated this in our country. Cacao has a narrow genetic variability. While Philippines is an ideal place for cacao production, there is a need to develop varieties which are high-yielding using combined approaches. One of our innovations is that we have integrated approaches using conventional and marker-assisted breeding. This R&D project will upgrade the cacao gene bank for conservation, rehabilitation, and utilization by cacao breeders and farmers. There is also a need to improve the cacao fermentation process in the Philippines. It has been found out that fermentation processes did not pass the national standards, such as on the quality and the chemical attributes. Hence, developing improved fermentation to meet the standards for bean quality and production is important. One project that we do includes mechanization and automation of post-harvest processing. Aside from cacao, another challenge that we have is a problem on banana due to infestation. To our banana farmers, do you know that pathogen has affected several hectares of banana plantations in the Philippines due to Panama or Fusarium wilt disease, Moco or bacterial wilt disease, and the Bunch-top disease, among others? But we are happy to inform you that USM has developed a detection technology using advanced approaches like the use of the qPCR and the digital PCR. This digital PCR is a pioneering work in the country to determine the pathogen quantitatively and qualitatively. USM is now engaged with banana growers and industries and have identified diseases in the farms. We are detecting the healthy-looking plant and soils, yet when they were analyzed, our project could provide early detection of pathogen. This will be an advantage on disease management before the outbreak will occur. We are also proud to present to you another project that we have, the Smart and Digital Agriculture for High-Value Crops. Algorithms are used for the management of pests and diseases, and this is useful as control measures to prevent further damage to our crops. We use the GIS, or Geographic Information System, for the high-value crops to generate suitability maps, productivity potentials of the area, and possible limitations and constraints on production. We also extend these technologies that we have generated through the university's extension services, which includes technological packages such as capacity building for farmers and stakeholders. We utilize this knowledge to help our community to increase skills, knowledge, as well as profit and income of people. We extend what we have learned in the academe, as we believe that abundance isn't measured by what you have, but it is created based on what you share. We have diversified extension approaches. They are in different forms and platforms, such as face-to-face interaction by conducting trainings, seminars, and workshops, and social media through radio programs that are streamed online and through print materials. We have the Consultancy in Agriculture Productivity Enhancement Program. This program on engagement of scientists and experts with small and medium enterprises and local farmers looks at problems, gaps, and needs in production and to find solutions and establish partnerships. As a result, many of our farmers have accepted and practiced the experts' recommendations. This could further improve their production, which leads to increased productivity and income. Our stakeholders adopted our technologies. They participated on tablaya production and they are now generating income. This is not only limited on cacao, but also on other high-value crops, such as our technology on rubber intercropping schemes, which is feasible if you will adopt it. Our university is willing to extend and help and to be your partner. Moreover, we do technology licensing in USM for our R&D products. And to improve our products and processes, we participate in collaborative research and development. These are our research, development, and extension engagements. And on our next episode, you will find out more of our USM Technologies. Science and technology, together with the people, have been the drivers of change. What are you waiting for? Be a part of the change. To be updated of our other works, you can visit our website at www.usm.edu.ph and our YouTube channel, USM RTV.